Hey guys, so today I got some screwdrivers on my bed, and I figured I would show you them all. So, this one right here and this one is very cool because you can change drill bits on this screwdriver. And I got the screwdriver I got it from Christmas of 2020. Yeah, this is the screwdriver I got from Christmas of 2020. So, and all these black screwdrivers that I got from Christmas of 2019, I believe. I don't know, but I use some of these sometimes. Yeah, they're magneticable. Let's see. Right here. Ah, maybe I'll get this one. Come on. Ah, just a moment. Oh, that. Okay, I'm gonna have to find something magnetic. Oh, what about that? Nah. But anyways, these are magnetic screwdrivers. So, because one thing I like about these screwdrivers is that they hold screws in so that they don't fall and you lose it. This one, I don't mind at all, but the only thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have that magnetic feature like these other ones. Yeah. I use some of them to unscrew or screw some things. This one's a Husky brand. All these black screwdrivers are. They're rubber handle too. And if I ever have time, I do have more screwdrivers, but these are just screwdrivers that I got as brand new. Yeah, this one is like a skinny flathead screwdriver. This one is a fat head, more like a fat flathead screwdriver. And yeah, I do use this one. This one you can unlock the door with it too, since it's got that tip on the end. And yeah. And this one is a bolts versus screwdriver. Look in here. See? It's also a bolt screwdriver, but it can also be a screwdriver too. How cool is that? But yeah, those are the screwdrivers that I have. Thanks for watching.